Hey guys, this is Goldy again, and in this video I'll show you how you can create G Suite aliases in bulk right from your Google Sheet by using this add-on called OK Goldy. So with that, let's get started. My assumption is that you have already installed OK Goldy Google Sheet add-on. If you haven't yet, please look at my other videos. If you like the add-on, install it. Once you're done with the installation, come back and watch this video. So with that, let me show you how you can create G Suite aliases in bulk right from your Google Sheet.
So I have created these two users, Princeton at my domain with no aliases yet, and another one which is Plainsboro at my domain with no aliases yet. Just to show you as an example, I'm going to add a few aliases to both of these accounts via the add-on. So for that, you will come to the add-on sheet. You will go to sheet number 12, which says create aliases, and you will need to provide this sheet primary email address of the user along with the alias that you want to insert for that user. I already have this information handy, so I'm gonna create 5 aliases per user, and then alias creation status will be filled up by the add-on itself. So once you have this information ready, go to add-on, go to OK Goldy, go to alias manager, and then click on number 12, which is create aliases. This will let the tool read the value and go to directory API and create all those aliases. So as you see, the aliases have been created along with some stats here saying number of aliases attempted versus created versus not created, along with some visuals. Now if I go back to Princeton and do a quick refresh, ideally I should be seeing those 5 email aliases that I created. Same case with the Plainsboro one. If I do a quick refresh, I should see those 5 aliases, and as you might have noticed, these are on a secondary domain, so you can use all your secondary or the primary domain to insert aliases. Hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, do not hesitate to put that under this video and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much.